These geese are moving swiftly in this water. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous morning. I love looking at all the boats. After having breakfast, we picked up our grandsons and took them to All Aboard restaurant. This place is so much fun. There's a train that delivers the food right to your table.
Where do we go? Is that our food?
I don't know because other people.
That side, Nana. Oh no. Yep. Yes!
Overall, the food here is good. The chicken was freshly battered and deep fried. The hush puppies are amazing, and Paul enjoyed his fish. The fries aren't so great. After lunch, we took the boys to the nature center. We stayed there like 2 hours. It's so hot outside, and it was so cool in here. And there was lots of little things for the kids to do. Look at the animals. There was also puzzles and games in there, a little movie. So we just sat back, relaxed, act like the old grandparents that's got all the time in the world, and we just let the boys have at it. It was a great time. And by the way, it is free. So check it out. It's downtown close to the Clinton Museum, not far. This was an albino gar. We're just seeing all kind of albino animals on our vacations. The boys are checking out turtles and snakes. There was a daycare group that showed up, but they were very sweet and wonderful. The boys got to see how they compare in height to some fish, and they thought that was a lot of fun. This is the back side of the riverfront market that faces the river. It's really cool when they have all their vendors set up. And this is the First Security Amphitheater. We took the boys to Boyle Park, B-O-Y-L-E, and it was really nice. They had a creek there to play in too, and trails. We love going to Kroger. This Kroger is very close to the campground, and it is so nice. It's almost like a mini Walmart. They have clothes and hardline items. This is our Kroger grocery haul. We're always looking for the markdown. So we got some ribs and some Einstein bagels. These pretzels bites that look good. They were marked down to 54 cents. She was like marking those down right when I got there. So I got these little cups of cheese. They were only $1 a piece. Got some biscuits because we brought some gravy. We love biscuits and gravy. We're actually born and raised in Alabama, so we love our biscuits and gravy. Got some nerds for the grandkids. Oh, and we got those awesome, what were those wood things called? That they're like the wood logs that have the hole in the middle so the fire burns up in the middle. We got those for $1.99 a piece.
Torch log or something?
Torch log? Anyway, it's in a video. Fun time getting good deals. We wrapped up the day by cooking chili dogs. And we forgot the buns at Kroger. That's one of the reasons we went there. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.